Hi guys, it's Nyla to Learn to Trade the Market. Welcome to all the new members. We've got 500 new members over the last 2 weeks. Haven't posted a video in a while, been extremely busy, lots of movement going on in these markets. Been trading the 4-hour chart, especially on the Euro and the Great British Pound, been really profitable. I want to introduce to the new members, and pardon me for repeating myself to the existing members, I'd like today to talk about the fakey setup on the 4-hour chart, and I guess it'll be good for you guys who have bought the course or are looking to buy the course to understand a little bit about what I'm doing in the market and how you can make money trading 4-hour charts primarily with the trend and then implementing a beautiful price action technique we call the fakey. Alright, so let's get on to the setup, and we'll have a look at what the bar pattern must look like before the setup can take place. First of all, we need to have an inside bar. Now, an inside bar is anything that looks like that. It's one of these patterns right here. You see where we have an outside bar and then inside bars. Very simple. Once we have that pattern, we look for a false break against the trend, and there we have one. This tail on the candle right here is the false break. See through there we have the inside bars, and the market breaks down and then moves straight back through. That is a fakey trigger. As I said, the setup is the inside bar, like so. The trigger is then the breakdown and then the move back up through the highs. Okay, so it will turn out something like this structure here. Another setup which formed a little while after was this one here. You had an inside bar and then a large reversal right there. Another fakey setup, and you can see we're trading with the existing momentum. That's the condition, and then 2 profitable signals on the 4-hour chart right here. These are not standard setups by any means. They are quite unique because they're forming against the primary trend, which is down overall. On the daily chart, you will see there's quite a nice zigzagging pattern like this, and it's heading down. At the moment, we're in one of these counter trend rallies back up. We're in this part of the counter trend move, and this 4-hour chart is trending nicely to the upside. You can see, we're moving to new highs after the Friday rally. Monday's taken off. We're now 149.33. So just to look back, if we were to have entered in the 143, 144 area on this fakey, or even this fakey setup right here, it'd be up a substantial amount of pips. Now, I'm going to be quite frank here. It doesn't matter even if you miss these setups, because they are very plentiful on 4-hour charts. We're talking at least 3 to 5 times a week on the British Pound and Euro Dollar. So let's assume that you only won 2 out of every 5 trades and had a risk reward of say 3 to 1. Okay, so that's going to be 2 out of every 5 that come off, and we will have a 3 to 1 risk reward. Okay, so that's times 2 gives you 6. Then we deduct the 3 losers, minus 3 times 1. Okay, that's going to be minus 3. Overall, it will be 6 minus 3 gives you a profit overall of 3R. What that means is you're making, even though you've only got a strike rate of 2 out of 5, you're making 3 times what you've initially put into the market. That is the beauty of trading the fakey. It offers a good risk reward. Even with a lower strike rate, the winning percentage overall is quite irrelevant to what the returns are. And that's why I love this setup, because you can just keep looking for similar patterns. Your stop might be here, target here, 3 times your risk, and no matter how many times you see it, you can be confident that around about 2 out of 5 will win. Now obviously that's going to depend on your ability and your experience. If you'd like to learn more about my strategies, my trading plan and the price action techniques I'm using, you can visit the website there on the screen. I've also got a Forex course. For you new guys who haven't had a look, there's a Forex course menu on the Learn to Trade the Market website. Have a look around, send your questions on email or talk to me in the forum. Look forward to seeing the next video. Take care and safe trading.